ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to color black and white portrait. First of all, we need to add solid color. This time we are going to choose a color for the picture. So I enter my color here, FFD6C5. Yes, so we choose this color. Then I'll go to the blending mode and choose color. Highlight the marks and hit on Ctrl+I to invert. Now choose your brush. Make sure the hardness is 0 and you choose soft round brush. You can increase your brush. Make sure the opacity is 100%. Opacity is 100. Your flow is also 100. And make sure your foreground color is white and your background is black. Select the marks and paint on it. Paint on the face. Take your time and do it. Do it gradually. We are turning in the black and white picture into a color picture. So note it. We are painting it. Make sure you paint. Don't paint the eye. And let's increase the blush. So we are painting the face. Do it gradually. Do it gradually. There's no need of rush and painting. You took your time so that you can do it well. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, painting on the face. We are giving it a color. I'm giving it a color. We are not adding the lips. We'll give a different color to the lips. So don't paint the hair too. Let's leave the hair. Let's do the ears. 2 ears. I think I have to reduce the brush and paint where the eyebrow is. You're painting the yes. We don't have to paint on the lips. You make sure you do it gradually. Make sure you do it gradually. Do it gradually. So boom, you can see how it is now. So we check then and now, but in case you paint on the lips or any part of the face that we don't want the color to be, you make sure you check, you come here and change it so that the foreground will be black, and you paint on where you don't want the color to be. Mistakenly I painted on the lips, so I have to clear it. I have to clear the lips. So we change it back. So we can see we are doing a great job here. Taking our time, we are not in a rush of doing it. You need to take your time and do it nicely. So make sure all part is filled with the color. I want to leave the hair here, to leave some of the color. The hair, you're not going to touch the hair. What we'll do is reduce the opacity and reduce the opacity, and give it some shape. If you can see, wow, so you can see, if at all you think the color is too much, you can come here and bring down the color by reducing the opacity. But I think we can't reduce it too much, so I think 100 is okay. 100 is okay, or we can break it down a little. Yeah, it's okay. We are not done with it. We need to continue with the lips, because we can't leave the lips black like that. So what we'll do is create another solid color. This time on the lips, we are going to use a hex of 6B0001. Now hit OK, and come here and choose Ctrl+I and invert it. Now let's paint. Make sure your foreground is white, and let's paint on the lips. This so we are painting on the lips, painting on the lips like that. Painting on the lips. Don't worry, I'm going to fix that very soon. So this is the lips. Now go to the blending mode and choose color. Boom. So you can see how it's now nice here. It's now nice. Let's go to the color and fix. Sorry. Let's fix here. So this was then and now. So you can see now we've transformed the picture. You're not done. I think we have something to fix here. The eyebrow it's been painted, so we need to clear it. We need to clear the eyebrow. Need to clear the eyebrow, but you have to fix it. You can see the picture is nice now. Now let's hit on Control plus Control, hold Control on the keyboard and hold the 2 and group it. Let's give it color. So now, then, and now, what we'll do next is create a curve layer on the issue. We reduce and hit on Control plus I. But what we'll do is to paint on the eyes only. So this was then, now, then, now. If you think it's too much, bring it down a little. Yeah, that is it. I'm done. We are not done with it. Let's create a levels layer. Make sure we push it up a little, and also make sure we push it up a little. Push it up. Make sure the picture pop up. The picture pop up, but we don't want it to affect all the layers, so we hit on Control plus I to invert. Hold your brush, increase your brush, and paint on it. You can see it's too bright, so we leave it like that. Now let's create our selective color on black. Let's increase the black. Let's increase the black here. Good. Paint on the black here. Paint on the black. So now let's create another layer, which is the black and white. Let's create another layer by clicking on the bright and contrast. So let's raise the contrast to 50 and the brightness to 2. Yeah, so I don't want it to affect all the pictures, so we hit on improvement eye. Then we paint the picture. They give us nice color. So now you can see this was before, now, before, and now. Thank you for watching. In case you love the video, please hit the subscription button and like and push it so that you motivate me to bring much of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.